Most traders using Ichimoku only see clouds, but they're missing the real treasure hidden underneath. Support and resistance using the clouds is only scratching the surface, and that means you're leaving serious profits behind. It's built on three powerful but almost forgotten ancient theories: wave, price, and time. These are the secret blueprints that elite traders use to predict major moves before they happen. That's why we've developed an advanced tool that automatically reads Ichimoku's hidden wave patterns, pinpoints major price targets, and forecasts timing cycles with stunning accuracy. Today, we're giving it to you completely free. We'll show you exactly how it works, and why it will fundamentally transform how you see the entire market. So let's get into it. Most traders think of Ichimoku as just clouds and crossover signals, a simple way to spot trends and entries. And while that's helpful, it's like using a Formula One car just to drive to the grocery store.
Just grabbing some milk.
Ichimoku's true power lies in combining three parts of its framework: wave patterns, predictive time cycles, and price targets. But understanding and tracking all these aspects requires obsessive tracking, complex calculations, and a sharp eye for patterns. That's why, for most traders, unlocking this deeper level of insight was simply out of reach, until now. The moment you load the indicator, the chart comes alive with far more detail than a standard Ichimoku overlay. Front and center is the Kumo Cloud, created by the Senku Span A and Senku Span B lines. As always, this cloud works double time, projecting forward to map out future zones of support and resistance, while the current price is still unfolding. Threaded through the cloud are the familiar Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen, and Chikou-span. Their relative positions still offer quick directional clues. When the Tenkan-sen sinks beneath the Kijun-sen, momentum tilts bearish, and when it climbs back above, the bias flips bullish. What truly sets the tool apart is the additional lattice of information layered around the cloud. Vertical and horizontal guidelines appear along the axes, visualizing Ichimoku's time theory. They segment price history into fixed intervals, making it easy to spot rhythmic turning points and to read the forecast bars projected off to the right. These projections mark moments when equilibrium is statistically likely to give way to a fresh wave of disequilibrium, exact windows where sharp moves often ignite. Linking those time cycles to price structure is a series of zigzagging strokes that trace full wave sequences in real time. Each measured wave feeds directly into price theory, transforming past swings into precise forward targets. The result is a three-part fusion: wave, time, and price, running quietly beneath the surface of the clouds. At a glance, you can see where the next impulse should end, how far it can travel, and exactly when the market is most likely to pivot. With that triad working for you, Ichimoku stops being a passive backdrop and becomes an active roadmap for trade timing, target setting, and risk control. If you go into the settings, you'll see the tool is divided into 4 tabs. In the Ichimoku Kinko-hyo section, you can hide the classic lines, or even remove the entire cloud with a single click, ideal when you want to isolate price action without visual noise. Time theory lets you choose the forecasting algorithm and switch between cycle modes, giving you control over how aggressively the indicator projects future turning points. Move to wave theory, and you can toggle individual wave components on or off, keeping only the sequences you find most actionable. Finally, within price theory, you can pick between streamlined, basic targets and deeper, extended objectives that factor in time cycles for extra precision. Because the indicator covers Ichimoku in its entirety, this level of granularity is critical. Use it to keep your chart uncluttered and your analysis laser-focused. To see the indicator in action, let's walk through a real-world chart, GBP-JPY. Before you dive in, make sure you're already fluent in classic Ichimoku theory, because this tool amplifies every nuance. In our example, the cloud itself becomes the first filter. It's deep red, so the bias is firmly bearish, and we're hunting short setups only. As price retraces into the cloud, we watch for rejection. That shift out of the Kumo is where momentum should resume its southbound drive. We'll take it as confirmation when the Tenkan-sen slices below the Kijun-sen, our cue that sellers are taking control again. The stop goes above the cloud's recent high, keeping risk tucked out of the traffic. Targets are effortless. The indicator projects the N-wave objective based on price theory, so we can just set our take profit at that level. Think of this indicator as a full-spectrum Ichimoku workshop. If you haven't mastered every corner of wave, price, and time just yet, you can still cherry-pick the parts that fit your style and let other tools fill the gaps. Suppose you only want the Kumo. A few click hides the lines and time projections, leaving a clean cloud you can pair with something like our Signals and Overlays toolkit. Switch that toolkit to contrarian mode, flip on the autopilot short-term setting, and it will start flagging potential tops and bottoms as price drifts inside the cloud. You get a quick-fire confirmation of bullish or bearish exhaustion without wading into the deeper theories. Even inside the cloud, There's a nuance most traders miss. When Senkou Span B flattens into a horizontal shelf, no upward or downward tilt, that segment of the Kumo becomes unusually stubborn support or resistance. Because the cloud is projected ahead, you can spot that shelf long before price reaches it and plan your trade around the zone rather than reacting to it. And that wraps up our deep dive into the Ichimoku Theories indicator, a complete cloud-to-target toolkit designed to turn raw Ichimoku concepts into instantly tradable signals. You can load it up right now, free, at luxalgo.com/library. Want an extra layer of precision? The Signals and Overlays toolkit we paired with the suite today is also waiting for you. Risk-free for 30 days at luxalgo.com. Thanks for watching, keep your edge sharp, and we'll see you in the next one.